Experience so far is really good because we are exhibiting for the first time in CMPL. And to be very frank, I never thought we were going to see such a large audience. Audience, I was not expecting more than 1,000 or 2,000, but people are coming. And also relevant customers are coming. That's the best part. To be very frank and be truthful, so far no, but number of good partnership are expected. There are good inquiries, approximately we can say 5 or 6, which are very encouraging. More first is, I will say, is, much better food stalls because their sitting space is less, and maybe CMPL they themselves never thought the audience will be so big, large enough. So that is one thing. And second is much bigger event it should be, larger than this. That's what I am expecting next time. You know, both you see, there were maximum inquiries were of course related to our product. That was sanitary napkins, which we are the entrants, and we are doing very well in that. So there were a lot of inquiries for outsourcing it, or you can say a contract manufacturing. We have received. That is a major one. This I am expecting it is giving me a leap. If I look at it around a year back or 8 months back, what it took us to reach to this, I think so. I will be, or our company will be 8 to 1 year ahead after this event. So I am going to have a good leap through this.